Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be going over the Sun-made Rasin Survival Kit. Before we get into that, I want to remind you that we have a giveaway going on for the super clean degreaser, for the basic degreaser, and the aerosol degreaser, as well as a hat. If you want to be entered into that giveaway, all you have to do is leave a like, comment, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and go ahead and share the video, and you'll be entered. We'll be announcing the giveaway winner on the 20th. Good luck to everyone. Let's get into the video. So here, let's have a very basic kit that we have in a Sun-made Raisins box. Something you could have in the door of your vehicle, in the side pocket of your backpack, seat of your quad, center console of your side-by-side, legit anything. Just something to help you get through a bad situation. As you can see, we have a lot, or a good amount crammed in there. I won't say a lot. Here we have our water activated towelette. Out of the package to save some space. That can be used for hygiene, first aid, trail marking, water filtration. Here's our compass, just a basic button compass. For cutting, we have our little razor blade, which will do the trick. Another way of cutting, and a tool for utility. So a little survival card. There's our little wrenches, can openers, screwdrivers. We have a secondary blade here and a saw blade here. Here's a can opener. For fire starting, let's have a basic mini Bic lighter. And for cordage, we have some snare wire. And for signaling, we have a signal whistle, or emergency whistle. That's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, what you guys would put in here, what you guys would do differently. Good luck to everyone in the giveaway. Have a nice day, and thank you guys for watching.